Meaning of English for academic purposes.
English for academic purposes.
English for academic purposes.
English for academic purposes.
English for academic purposes. English for academic purposes, EAP, refers to the language skills necessary for academic study in an English-speaking environment. It includes the ability to understand and use academic vocabulary, comprehend academic lectures and texts, write academic papers, and participate in academic discussions. The purpose of EAP is to prepare non-native English speakers for the linguistic demands of academic study. Successful application of EAP skills can enhance academic performance and improve overall language proficiency.